Most of us have seen a little bit of light rain, and there's more moving in across the area from Lake Michigan. This will be with us this evening. Roads will just be wet. See if we can track a little bit of this for you. I want to start with the green area, which is moving through Allegan County at the current time. That's where the heavier rain is falling, and that's still pretty light rain. The area that's over by Holland tracks to southern Ionia County here at 7:15, over toward Lansing at 7:58. You can see the rain showers up here in Muskegon County get to the Greenville area at 7:24. We'll pull out just a little bit. I want to show you that the storm is bringing in some colder air, and that will eventually change our rain over to snow. And that's what's going on here, not only off to the north. You can see a little bit of blue showing up here near Manistee, but also across southern Wisconsin as well. And we expect our rain to change over to snow here around or shortly after midnight. That's why we have the winter storm warning in effect. The counties that border Indiana, plus Calhoun and Jackson counties. Basically, if you were to draw a line from Benton Harbor to Port Huron, south of there, winter storm warning. And if you were to draw a line from Holland to around Saginaw, Midland, south of there, that winter weather advisory. There won't be much snow in northern Kent County. Kent County sticking out there just a little bit. Here's snow accumulations for you at 11 o'clock. Still no snow. We're getting rain across the area. By the time we get to daybreak, there may be an inch or two from Grand Rapids off to the south. Still nothing pretty much off to the north. And as we head on till about noon tomorrow, we got almost 6 inches of snow down toward the Coldwater area. Again, really nothing off to the northwest of Grand Rapids. A pretty sharp line in terms of snowfall across areas to the north of Grand Rapids, not seeing much of anything. But north of Grand Rapids, you will see icy roads as the rain from the melting snow and the puddles here freeze up. Temperature this evening at 38 degrees. We're currently 45, so we got a ways to go until we get down to freezing. You can see how much colder it is with the wind coming in off that ice on the lake. Ludington Airport at 39. Up toward the UP, it's already in the 20s. Cold north wind is going to drag down that colder air. Wet roads this evening if you're going out. Snow for late tonight after midnight, and especially tomorrow morning south of town. Slippery roads for the morning commute, especially if you're in Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, those areas along I-94. Looks like a pretty rough commute with the temperatures getting below freezing and lots of ice and snow. Winds not terribly strong. These winds get stronger, though, toward daybreak. We should be back up around 15 to 20 miles an hour. Here's the rain showers coming on in. You can see how quickly this changes over to snow. Most areas picking up snow by around 2 a.m. And look at the sharp line here. Once you get north of Grand Rapids, not much going on. All the snow falling here along I-94, especially southeast of Kent County. And then it winds down to just some flurries here as we head into the afternoon. So the 8-day forecast looks like this. Temperatures start out mid-20s tomorrow, but fall to the upper teens. It's going to be a cold day tomorrow with a pretty stiff north wind. We can see temperatures close to zero here Thursday morning, almost record territory for us. Mid-20s Thursday, back up into the low 40s here on by the time we hit Friday. No big storms early next week, but a continuation of our cold air. A couple more days there with highs only in the 20s. This winter will never end.
No,
it looks cold into early April.
Oh, does it really?
No, it really does.
You went there. Okay.
A lot of folks are thinking, spring break, time to get out of here.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you, Bill.
Thank you, Bill.